And Ebro fouled by number 30, Bautista. First free throw ni Ebro, no basket. Second free throw, no basket again. Pero makakukuha dito, De Leon. May hawak. Nandito si Gregorio. Long pass to Delgado, out of bounds. Ball possession by SCBA Project. De Leon to San Andres. Pass to Abarquez. Bibigay dito kay De Leon. De Leon to San Andres. Mai-steal ni Bautista ang bola. And there's Palay. Libre. Left-handed layup. 2 points by Palay. At timeout para sa kupunan ng SCBA Project. At magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League. And we are back to our ball game. And there's Palay. Layup. Back-to-back points by number 1. And there's Aguila. Pass to Abarquez. Aguila for 3. No basket. Makukuha ulit dito. San Andres may hawak. Thirteen seconds left on the shot clock. And there's Aguila dribbling the ball. For 2, no good. Bautista to Bandao. No basket. But fouled by number 8, Aguila. First free throw. Basket. Second free throw, no basket. Out of bounds, ball possession to SCBA. And there's Aguila dribbling the ball. Still by Palay. There's Palay, layup, libre. At mapapatawag ulit ng timeout dito ang kupunan ng SCBA Elite. At magbabalik ulit ng San Pablo City Basketball League. And we are back to our ball game. San Andres for the inbound, received by Aguila. Dribbling the ball. Nabantayan dito ni Delgado. Aguila, pass to De Leon. Back to De Leon. Makukuhanan dito ni Bautista ng bola. And there's Poliente. Out of bounds. Ebro to Aguila. 15-42 ang ating score in favor of Santa Cruz. 8 seconds violation for SCBA project. Bautista for the inbound. Binigay kay Palay. Long pass to Bandao. Reverse. Kaso tatama lang sa ilalim ng board. Ebro to Abarquez. Long pass to San Andres. And there's De Leon. Pass to Abarquez. Pull up for 3. Short. Si Palay ang makakakuha ng bola. Long pass to Poliente. Poliente, block by Abarquez. San Andres. Still by Palay. Pull up for 2. No good. De Leon to Consolacion to San Andres. Floater basket. Easy 2 points by San Andres. And there's Bautista. Bautista for 2. Basket count. And fouled by number 21, San Andres. Last free throw, no basket. Ebro secure the ball. Pass to De Leon. San Andres to Abarquez for 3. No basket. Bandao secure the ball. Ibibigay dito ay Siguenza. Siguenza, atake. No counted. Number 12, Poliente. Offensive foul. San Andres to Consolacion. Dribbling the ball. Pass to San Andres for 3. No good. Matatapikan ni Palay doon. Bandao to Poliente. No good. Evangelista to number 14. No good pa rin. And there's De Leon. Wrong pass. Number 14. Block by Consolacion. Consolacion. Pass to Ebro. Ibibigay ulit kay Consolacion. To number 21. San Andres. Side step. And fouled by number 9. Evangelista. First free throw, no basket. Second free throw dito ni San Andres. Basket. And there's number 14. Topoliente. To Bandao. Reverse shot. Basket. 2 points by number 28. Consolacion dribbling the ball. Ganap na mapapasahan. Pass to San Andres. To number 3, De Leon. 3 points. 21-46 ang ating score in favor of Santa Cruz. And we have 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Poliente. To Evangelista. Basket. There's De Leon. Pass to Consolacion. De Leon again. Pull up for 3. Basket. Basket count by De Leon. There's Bandao. Mabangga, atake, layup, basket, easy 2 points. 24-50 ang ating score in favor of Santa Cruz. And there's Bandao again, back-to-back points. 2 points again. Atico may hawak ng bola. De Leon to Atico. For 2. No basket but fouled by number 1, Palay. First free throw, no basket. At warning for penalty na dito ang kupunan ng Santa Cruz. Second free throw. No basket again. And there's Marquez. A good rebound by Atico. Mabibitawan, Palay. Pass break to Poliente. Libre, easy shot by Poliente. Consolacion, may hawak ng bola. Pass to De Leon. Pull up for 3. No good. Technical na naman. Technical free throw para sa SBA. No basket. Plus ball possession dito ng kupunan ng SCBA. De Leon, pass to Consolacion. Back to De Leon. For 3 again. Basket. 3 points para kay De Leon. Delgado dribbling the ball. Pass to Palma. No basket. And there's De Leon again. Pass to Ebro. To Consolacion. Pull up for 3. Basket. At may chansang maka 4-point play dito sa ating free throw line. For last free throw, no basket. Pero makakukuha dito ni Atico ang bola. Atico. Traveling violation. Delgado. Pull up for 3. Short. SCBA project. Ball possession. And we have last 1 minute dito sa ating time remaining para sa ating third quarter. Ijan. Secure the rebound. Pass to Delgado. To Cruz. Makakukuha ni Ijan ang bola. Makasusundutan dito ni De Leon. Ball possession to SCBA. Last 43 seconds. Consolacion may hawak ng bola. Still by Delgado. And there's Delgado. Layup. Oh, basket. But fouled by number 6, Consolacion. 31-54 ang ating score. In favor pa rin po sa Santa Cruz. And there's Delgado. Para sa kanya, 2 shots. First free throw, basket. Second free throw, no basket. At matatawagan dito si Evangelista ng pushing foul. Penalty na ang Santa Cruz. De Leon in the free throw line. First throw. Oh, basket. Second free throw, basket. There's number 17, Delgado, long pass to Palma pero hindi makakukuha. Ball possession to SCBA. Last 20 seconds, Consolacion may hawak. Consolacion to De Leon, and there's De Leon. Pull up, oh good. Rebound by Evangelista, last 7 seconds. Out of bounds. Ball possession ng Santa Cruz. And we have 32-55.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo.
At welcome dito sa ating fourth and final quarter of the game. Delgado pinasa kay Palay. And there's Palay. Cut by number 11, Palma, pero wala. And there's number 9. Oh, good. Habakon, wala. Palma makakakuha. Ibibigay kay Delgado. Pull up for 2, no good. Rebound by Atico. Pass to Ebro. Out of bounds. Ball possession to Santa Cruz. Tigo, pass to Abad. Dribbling the ball. Bibigay kay Aguila. Pull up for 3. 3 points para kay Aguila. Habakon. Left-handed layup. Easy basket. 59-34 ang ating score. Abad. Long pass, out of bounds. Ball possession to SCBA. And there's Atico. To Abad, back to Atico. Ibibigay dito kay Ebro. Easy basket. Palay, may hawak ng bola. Delgado, fake. Napakalalim nun. Easy 2 points by Delgado. There's Abad. Pass to Atico. Atico reverse. No good. Abacon. Secure the ball. Number 16, Ebro, matatawagan dito. Number 16, matatawagan dito ng foul. And there's Delgado for the inbound. Pass to Palay. Abad, may dala ng bola. Pass to Atico. Atico. Masusundutan. Out of bounds. Ball possession pa rin dito sa SCBA. Ebro nakakakuha ng bola. Pass to Aguila. Pull up for 3. O basket. O possession, Santa Cruz. And we have 7 minutes and 25 seconds. At before mag-end tong ating fourth and final quarter, ay shout out sa lahat ng ating live viewers today. At binabati ko nga pala, or shout out, special shout out sa ating magaling at poging referee ng San Pablo City, si Sir Ricky Enriquez, at sa kanilang San Pablo City Referee Association of Laguna or SPCRA, referee ng mga champion. Please support and like, follow ang kanilang page. At special mention or shout out sa ating special partnership with Wilson Basketball Philippines, sponsored by Cafe Amarillo, Dutch Delight, Blue Steels, City Councilor Hon Carmela Acevedo with the Acevedo Optical, JEJ Optical Services, Tina's Takoyaki, at kay Mr. Chairman Robin Nabarha. And this Velvet D-League San Pablo League is powered by Velvet Media Incorporated by Mr. JJ Maghirang. And shout out sa lahat ng boys at production ng Velvet Media. And shout out na rin dito sa mga nanonood dito sa Barangay Bagong Bayan. And we are back to our ball game. Delgado, binigay kay Habacon. No good. Rebound by Ebro. Pass to Atico. Binigay kay Abad. Ebro, wala. Bautista, long pass to Delgado. Libre-libre, easy basket by number 17. Double dribble violation by number 8, Habacon. De Leon, 3 points. And there's Bautista. Pass to Habacon. Out of bounds. Same ball, possession. And we have 4 minutes and 39 seconds dito sa ating fourth quarter. Bautista to Puliente. Traveling violation. And there's San Andres. Dribbling the ball. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Pass to De Leon. To Atico. Libre-libre. 2 points by Atico. Bautista may hawak ng bola. Pass to Delgado. Delgado. Atico maiistilan dito. At Bautista, number 30, matatawagan dito ng foul. Abarquez. Pass to San Andres. To De Leon. De Leon for 3. Oh, basket. Number 15, Siguenza, matatawagan dito ng foul. Same ball possession. And there's De Leon. Pass to Aguila. Back to De Leon. Ibibigay dito kay Atico ang bola. To San Andres for 2. No good. Siguenza makakakuha ng bola. And Fuliente fouled by number 3, De Leon. 45-65 ang ating score. Santa Cruz ball possession. Fuliente to Delgado. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Bautista. And there's Bautista to Cruz. Pull up for 2. No good. Rebound by Puliente. Puliente for 2. Wala pa din. Out of bounds. Ball possession ng SCBA. Atico may hawak ng bola. Mabibitawan ng bola. Pass to number 30. Mabibitawan dito ni Puliente. Abarquez. To Bautista. Bautista, easy 2 points. Number 21 to number 8, Aguila. Fouled by Bautista. First free throw, no basket. Second free throw, basket. Last free throw, no basket. Siguenza makakakuha. Pass to Cruz. And Cruz fouled by number 21. Puliente, pass to Bautista. Bautista for 2, no good. Rebound by Abarquez. Makukuha dito ni Delgado ang pasa. And there's Delgado to Siguenza. Nice pass by number 17. 46-69 ang ating score. De Leon fouled by number 30. At warning for penalty na dito ang kupunan ng Santa Cruz. Here's San Andres for 2, no basket. Follow-up shot by Atico, basket, easy 2 points. Puliente. To Evangelista, ma-steal dito ni Consolacion to Atico. And there's San Andres, easy 2 points. Last 2 minutes. Delgado. To Evangelista, pull up for 2, no good. 50 makakakuha. Binigay kay Cruz. Cruz naman for 2, no good. Aguila may hawak ng bola, long pass to San Andres pero makukuha ni Puliente ang bola. There's Puliente. Pass to Delgado. Delgado for 2, basket. There's De Leon. Last 55 seconds. Consolacion. Pass to Aguila. To Consolacion. Shot clock violation para sa kupunan ng SCBA. Santa Cruz ball possession. Cruz. Layup. No good. Aguila. Mai-stealan dito ng Delgado. Delgado still by number 18. And follow-up shot by number 21, San Andres, 2 points. Out of bounds, last 6 seconds. And there's Aguila. (52-71) ang ating score in favor of Santa Cruz. At dito nagtatapos ang ating 4th and final quarter of the game.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Huwag kang matakot na
And that concludes the SCBA project. And with that, game nanalo po ang Santa Cruz Mixed Dribblers. And kasama ko ngayon ang ating best player of the game, jersey number 8, Habacon. And syempre, congratulations muna sa ating Santa Cruz Mixed Dribblers and also sa iyo din, Habacon. Sabi niya last time, ate or ma'am, ako po ay i-interview nyo dahil magiging best player of the game ako. And dahil dyan, nagkatotoo nga, he has the 14 points, 7 rebounds and 2 blocks. And dahil dyan, anong nararamdaman mo ngayon na ikaw na nga ang ini-interview ko ngayon?
Masaya po dahil po nakapag-best player po sa ganito pong liga. Salamat po sa Velvet. Salamat po sa mga nandito po. Thank you po.
Okay. And also minanifest natin to and ngayon Oo, manifesting is the key. And with that, ano yung laging nakatatak sa inyo na laging sinasabi ni Coach Marvin during the game?
Hard work lang po palagi, training, ensayo lagi, magpupanghinaan ng loob, and wag pong kabahan lagi.
And nagbuga naman yung mga sinasabi nila Coach Marvin and syempre the execution na ginagawa ninyo. And with that, meron ka bang gustong pasalamatan, gustong i-shout out? Feel free.
Sinashoutout ko po yung aking magulang na kung nanonood po man, mga kaibigan ko po, salamat po sa inyo sa pagsuporta sa akin.
Ayan. Okay, again, congratulations sa iyo. Jersey number 8 with that point, with that block, with that rebounds. And mali natin susunod, maging best player of the game pa din tayo. And with that, again, congratulations. Santa Cruz Mix. Oh, pwede naman. Sige, ituloy mo na.
Sinashoutout ko po yung si Isaiah Rose Pasha.
Yes. Hindi ko natatanungin kung sino siya, ano mo siya, okay? And with that, meron pa ba? Wala na. Okay. Okay. Thank you then and congratulations again. Tutok lang tayo sa ating live stream and at ating Facebook page para susunod na laro. Abangan natin kung paano paiinitin ng Santa Cruz, ng Team Bay and ng Junior Varsity ang ating basketball court.
Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya